My name is Paul Papanik-Stork. I'm a Microsoft MVP and a super user on the Power Platform forums. After spending the last couple of years answering questions on the forums, I've noticed that there are certain topics and questions that seem to recur frequently after people start working with Power Apps and Power Automate. I've put together an all-day workshop for the next Microsoft EduCon entitled Advanced Power Apps and Power Automate Workarounds for Common Problems. In this workshop, I'll discuss many of the recurring topics that we see on the forums. I'll help you understand what is happening and why you may be encountering these problems. I'll also provide solutions and workarounds for each of these common issues. We'll look at how to work with large data sources, either by using delegation in Power Apps or concurrency and paging in Power Automate. We'll discuss how to work with date formatting and time zone issues. We'll also talk about the differences between Power Apps and Power Automate logic and how you can use them together. Finally, we'll discuss tips and tricks for improving performance and implementing error checking in your apps and flows. Whether you're an accomplished citizen developer or just getting started, this workshop will provide a wealth of information that will take you and your work to the next level. I hope you'll join me in Chicago in September for the next Microsoft 365 Power Platform EduCon and PowerCon. See you there.